Hi, I'm auditioning for your collab audition video. This is my video response. So, yeah, my back itches really bad. 1 second. Okay. My arm is just, I'm not flexible that much. Okay. So, anyway, yeah. Number one, I am 11 years old. My name's Elaine. Yeah, my name's Elaine, and I'm 11. Well, right now I'm 10, but I'm gonna be 11, so I just count myself 11 because on Sunday I'm 11, so, yeah. The camera I use right now and stuff, I'm auditioning this in my living room, is a Vivitar ZV-R410. The day I want to be is Monday or Saturday. Monday or Saturday. My suggestion for this, the collab, name is seven beauty freaks. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna tell you three reasons why I think I should be able to join this collab. Number one, you can trust me with this. You can trust me with the password because I would never give the password out. That's stupid because then they could get on and change everything or delete the the account. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm not in a collab, then I'm not in a collab anymore. So that would really suck. So it's pointless to give out the collab information because then you wouldn't be able to be in this collab. And if I didn't want to be in this collab, why would I be auditioning? So yeah, that's why you can trust me with the password. Number two, I take hater comments really well. I don't sit there and I won't feed the haters. I won't sit there and they're like, you're ugly, and I won't be like, blah 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 blah, you're ugly, you're blah 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 blah, and stuff like that. And that's just pointless to me, and it's really stupid, I think. On one of my videos, this girl was like, you're an effing idiot, and I was like, thanks. So I don't know. I take good with haters. And number three, I get along with people. Really well. Even if somebody doesn't like me, I still get along with people. I'm weird like that. I'm the kind of person where say you're snobby and stuff, then I'm not gonna like you. If you're I'm the boss of this collab, then yeah, I'm not gonna like you just because of that. But if you just don't like me for no reason, I'm gonna get mad because I'm the kind of person where I want everybody to like me. I'm a likable person, I guess. I'm a likable person. But yeah. So I won't have any problems with anybody on the collab and whatnot. And I could make friends and stuff. That would be awesome. That'd be awesome. But anyways, so yeah, and I'm gonna tell you guys 3 special talents I have. Special talent number 1, I can rap really good. Number 2, I can do a handstand really good. Number 3, I can do hair really good. And then number 4, I said 3, but 4, I can do makeup really good. And then 1 more, I can do nails really good. Okay, so yeah, those were just some interesting facts, I guess, about myself. But yeah, I hope I get picked, and this is the what? July 12th, and you posted this July 7th. Oh no, July 8th. So I don't think I'm logging into YouTube right now. Okay, so I don't think it would be too late to audition, but yeah. Okay, well, I hope you pick me and to be in this collab because I think I could bring a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers to the collab. So yeah, okay, bye.